ឥឡូវនេះបានមកដល់ស្អីនេះ Joe Peter seafoodវាសបោបោលក់ seafood កន្លែងវាធំអត់តានឹងមកមិនតាន់ពេញអូយមកទឹកសមុទ្រស្អាតដល់ហើយកន្លែងលក់គ្រឿងសមុទ្រគេអាហ្នឹង market seafood market Pensacola Florida នេះ they catch it ចាប់ពីស៊ីមកយកមកដាក់លក់មកកន្លែងស្អាត wow so clean I arrive in the morning they start open at 8 a.m. in the morning Let's see what I can buy from here. Everything is a little bit pricey than before. As you know, look at what we got here. Only 2 lobster. We got $49.78. Right now they sell everything by pound, not by item anymore. Steam shrimp. $8.29 a pound. We buy like